Coming up today, how to fix Instagram action block in 2020. Keep watching and find out how you can fix it. What's up guys, welcome back to another video on my channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how to remove or fix the Instagram action block problem on your Android device in 2020. So I've tested this a couple of times and it worked for me. Hopefully this will work for you as well. I'm going to show you step by step what you need to do in order to fix this. So make sure you follow all the steps and then you should be fine. So what is an action block? An action block is when you cannot like any post, you cannot comment, you cannot follow anyone, and it's really annoying. So if you want to get rid of this, go to settings and log out from your account. Now make sure to remember your sign-in information so that you can always get back into your account. So I'm going to log out from my account right now, and then once you've done that, close the Instagram tab. I'll just close all of my tabs right now. Then next up, go into your settings, and this is just part one guys, so make sure you follow all the steps. Click on apps and then find Instagram. This is actually really important to make this work as well. So find Instagram in this list of installed apps, click on it, click on storage, and then click clear data. It's basically gonna reset your Instagram. Next up, you wanna go to the Play Store and download a VPN. I recommend downloading this one, VPNify. It's the one that I've been using. It's free and I don't get paid to say this whatsoever. There won't be an affiliate link in the description. This is just the one that I've been using personally, but you can use any of these VPNs. Next up, open the VPN and then click on select a server, and then you can choose to connect to one of these servers. Now make sure you connect to the United States even though you're not in the USA. I'm in the Netherlands right now, I'm not from the USA, but I'm still going to use USA. Click on tap to connect, and then right now get rid of that ad, and it's then going to connect to a server in the United States. So right now what we just did, we changed our location. Next up, you can open Instagram, you can sign back into your account and make sure you're connected to the VPN so that the IP address actually changes on your account, and you should then be able to like and comment on all of these posts again. And this is how I've been able to fix it multiple times. I've tested this with a lot of different people as well, and it worked for all of them. So hopefully this works for you as well. If it does, then make sure you go ahead and leave a like. Let me know in the comments if it works or not. I would really appreciate that. That would help me out a lot. So yeah, make sure you go do that and have a nice day. If this video helped you out, please consider subscribing to my channel to help me grow the largest how-to channel on YouTube. I appreciate it.